In primetime news this evening, close to 2,000 educators out of the system on leave entitlements. How prepared is the education sector for the return of schools come September? The answers during TVJ's Back to School Town Hall. And tailors and dressmakers say back to school business is good.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, we have the top business stories of the day. Javon Keys has our preview.
Thank you so much, Andrea. The Jamaican dollar saw a slower rate of depreciation compared to the U.S. currency. That's for the April to June quarter. I'll have the details a little later on.
Thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jermaine, who's also here to give us a preview of what's coming up in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thanks, Herman. Well, Usain Bolt and Shelly Fraser-Price come out on top in the poll of votes for greatest Jamaican sportsman and woman since independence. We'll tell you how.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your experience preparing for back to school?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.